subscribe another channel, Automotive Area Chanel. Click link at description. Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. The Vespa division of the Piaggio Group continues to expand its footprint with the brand new power plant for the GT scooter line with the GTS 300 HPE. Fans of the brand rejoiced at the news of the most powerful engine to make it onto a Vespa descendant, and for many, this is the engine they've been waiting for. A new LED taillight and recessed blinkers finish off the rearward lighting, and the license plate pulls double duty as a mudguard extension. As for the seat itself, it comes with new padding and a new cover in a bid to increase both pilot and pillion comfort. The 278cc engine is mounted to the Revamped Cvt Transmission, that has a tougher drive belt this year. Vespa chucked on its ASR feature to prevent wheel spin if you give it more juice than the rear contact patch can handle. We don't have a US price on the GTS 300 HPE just yet, but the model it more or less replaces rolled for $7,049, and we expect this variant to fetch the same or perhaps up to $1,000 higher.